Next is question number 7. Alfonso runs 10 km at an average speed of x km per hour. The next day he runs 12 km at an average speed of x minus 1 km per hour. The time taken for the 10 km run is 30 minutes less than the time taken for the 12 km run. Part A first is write down an equation in x and show that it simplifies to x square minus 5x minus 20 equals 0. Time taken for the 10 km run is 30 minutes less than the time taken for the 12 km run. For 12 km run, speed was x minus 1 km per hour. This will be the time for the 12 km run. Minus time for 10 km run will be 10 over speed was x km per hour, 30 minutes. These times are in hours, so we will convert it into hour divided by 60. Now taking LCM, this will be x into x minus 1. Here 12x minus 10 into x minus 1 equals, this will be 1 over 2. Expanding the brackets, 12x minus 10x plus 10 over x square minus x equals 1 over 2. Now by cross multiplication, this is 2x plus 10 into 2 equals x square minus x. This will be 4x plus 20 equals x square minus x. So x square minus x minus 4x minus 20 equals 0. So x square minus 5x minus 20 equals 0. Hence proved. Part 2. Use the quadratic formula to solve the equation x square minus 5x minus 20 equals 0. Show your working and give your answers correct to 2 decimal places. By quadratic formula, x is equal to minus into minus 5 plus minus. Here it will be minus 5 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 20, its square root over 2 into 1 is equal to 5 plus minus. Now solving its square root. This is minus 5 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 20 is 105 square root over 2. Now x is equal to 5 minus square root of 105 over 2, or it will be 5 plus square root of 105 over 2. 5 minus square root of 105 over 2 is minus 2.62, correcting to 2 decimal places. And from this, 5 plus square root of 105 divided by 2 is 7.62, correcting to 2 decimal places. Minus 2.62 are 7.62. Part 3. Find the time that Alfonso takes to complete the 12 kilometer run. Give your answer in hours and minutes, correct to the nearest minute. Time taken for 12 km run is 12 over x minus 1. Using positive root, x is 7.62. So 12 over 7.62 minus 1. 12 over 7.62 minus 1 is 600 over 331. 600 over 331, and in hours and minutes it is 1 hour and 48 minutes and 45.68 seconds. So correcting to the nearest minute, this will be 1 hour and 49 minutes. One hour and 49 minutes.